Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of middleweight adventure. Machines with the all-new 2026 CFMOTO 450MT. Designed to balance power, agility, and affordability, this bike marks CFMOTO's bold step into the competitive dual-sport segment. With its rugged build, modern design, and advanced features, the 450MT is ready to take riders wherever the road or the trail leads. Let's explore what makes this new adventure bike a true game-changer. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 CFMOTO 450MT carries an aggressive and functional design inspired by serious off-road machines. Its tall stance, slim bodywork, and rally-style front end give it a purposeful look built for exploration. The LED lighting setup, sharp tank shrouds, and high front fender add to its adventure-ready appeal. A comfortable seat, adjustable windshield, and handguards make it practical for long-distance rides while maintaining a sporty edge that turns heads both on and off the pavement. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 450MT is a 449cc parallel twin engine producing around 45 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch for better control. The bike features a lightweight chassis, a 1-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, and long-travel KYB suspension, making it equally capable on dirt trails or city roads. Its Bosch fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response, while switchable ABS allows riders to confidently tackle tough terrain. With impressive ground clearance and balanced weight distribution, the 450MT delivers performance far beyond its class. Safety and technology. CFMOTO has equipped the 450MT with a modern electronics suite to keep riders connected and in control. The bike includes a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and ride data tracking. Dual-channel ABS and traction control enhance safety on mixed surfaces, while LED indicators and wide mirrors improve visibility. The build quality and finish reflect CFMOTO's growing reputation for reliability and value, giving riders confidence for every adventure ahead. Conclusion. The 2026 CFMOTO 450MT stands out as a well-balanced, feature-packed adventure bike built for real-world riders. It combines capable performance, striking design, and cutting-edge technology at a price that's hard to ignore. Whether you're carving through city traffic or exploring remote trails, the 450MT is ready to go wherever adventure calls. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more exciting reviews and updates from the world of motorcycles and beyond.